In this video, I want to talk about how you can use TradingView for Forex. Now this is really easy, guys. You want to head over to products and go to the super charts. Inside of here, we want to look for our Forex. So come up here to the search button, select Forex, and then either search for the one you want to do, or you can just look through here. Now I suggest that you find the one with your broker on it. So if you want to do, let's say USD JYP, JPY, my bad. Then what you want to do is find the one with your broker on it. So if you're using Pepperstone, select the one with Pepperstone. And then it's important down here that you click on Trading Panel, drag this, and you find Pepperstone in here and connect it. Now, if you want to use a demo account, just select Paper Trading, and then it doesn't really matter which one you choose up here. But once you're on here, you can see the chart, and then what you need to do is do a sell or buy order. So sell order, buy order, or you can just switch here. Now you can do a market order, which is just to buy it at the price it's currently at, or you can do a limit order, which is to buy it at a specific price. So let's say you want to buy this once it reaches 145. Type in 145. You can put a profit and stop loss if you want to, and you can move that up and down right here. So let's say you want your stop loss to be here and your take profit right here. Now this is how many units, and this will increase how much your investment is, as well as your profit and stop loss. So that is basically how it works, guys. Instead of doing units, you can also risk a percentage of your account, and of course these will change the more that you do this. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.